confidence. When you think about it, it has much more to do with how we look at ourselves than with how others see us. When you think about the face and body you're presenting to the world, how do you really feel? The truth is, virtually every one of us secretly long to improve our appearance in some way. You may be suffering with a particular skin condition, or feel some of your physical features are working against you. Or you may simply long to turn back the clock and regain the profile and silhouette of your youth. Whatever your reason, there has never been a better time to discover all of the amazing treatments that can help you look and feel your best. And with the incredible medical and technological advances of the last decade, it's never been easier, safer, or more affordable. Today you're going to learn about many of the innovative and exciting cosmetic procedures that we have available right here in this office. Can you really become more attractive, more youthful, more confident? As you're about to find out, yes, you can. Your eyes, your face, your expression. Before you say a word, they're telling the world something about you. Are you attractive and confident? Outgoing and approachable? Even if you are, the lines and creases in your face may convey a different impression. That's when Botox can help. When minuscule amounts of it are injected into facial muscles, it causes them to relax, greatly diminishing or softening creases, lines, and furrows on the face. Probably the single most popular use for Botox is relaxing the deep furrow that often forms between our eyebrows. It is also proven effective in treating so-called crow's feet, forehead wrinkles, and folds in the neck. Once injected, Botox cosmetic normally takes effect in 3 to 10 days. Following treatment, many patients say their face appears more rested, but still completely natural. Botox can effectively reduce lines, creases, and furrows for up to 4 months. It's administered in a matter of minutes, and a normal schedule can be resumed immediately. As the effect of Botox gradually fades, a simple repeat treatment is usually all that's required to maintain the desired result. Ask your clinician how Botox can help you put your best face forward today. What if you could exchange less than 30 minutes of your time for a visible improvement in your skin's tone and texture? Diminish fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes. Literally lift away the effects of sun damage, age spots, and discoloration. It's all possible with a chemical peel. As the name implies, a chemical peel works by applying a solution to the skin that causes exfoliation of its damaged outer layers. While most chemical peels are performed on the face, they have also been successfully used on the neck, hands, arms, legs, back, and chest. Chemical peels are applied in various strengths, depending on the skin problems being treated. A light or superficial peel is often sufficient for conditions such as acne, rosacea, and some pigmentation problems. Medium and deep peels are commonly used for wrinkles, sun-damaged skin, and some pigmentation problems that do not respond to superficial peels. When the peeling process is finished, the skin will be noticeably softer, smoother, and clearer. While there are many different methods to tone and resurface the skin, chemical peels are among the most affordable. Why live with unsightly skin another day? Ask your clinician how a chemical treatment could literally peel away your skin problems. Some of us are fortunate enough to possess a beautiful head of hair. But hair doesn't seem quite so beautiful when it crops up in places that make us feel unattractive or embarrassed. Most of us are familiar with the usual methods of hair removal. They're often messy, time-consuming, and worst of all, almost always temporary. But new technology has created a permanent solution to an age-old problem. It's laser hair removal, and thousands of women and men are enjoying smoother, silkier skin as a result. fast and effective, laser hair removal is safe enough to be used on virtually any part of the body, including such sensitive areas as the face, underarms, and bikini line. Many people who have undergone laser hair removal say the process gives them a prickly sensation, similar to having a rubber band snapped on their skin. It's much faster than other procedures such as electrolysis, in some cases taking only a few minutes. Throw away your razors, toss out the wax, and enjoy smooth skin permanently. Ask your clinician how laser treatments could help you part ways with your unwanted hair. Acne. For some of us, it's an occasional annoyance. For others, it's a persistent, disfiguring skin inflammation that seems to flare up at the worst possible times. Approximately 90% of us will deal with it at some point in our lives. But now there's a revolutionary new skin procedure that is successfully treating acne and a variety of other common skin problems with virtually no downtime. It's known as photodynamic therapy, and when used in conjunction with a clear liquid called Levulin, it delivers a 1-2 punch that quickly and effectively improves a variety of troublesome skin conditions. Photodynamic therapy, also known as PDT, is virtually painless and takes about an hour to an hour and a half. First, the patient's skin is thoroughly cleansed and Levulin is applied. Levulin is a clear liquid composed of 20% amnio-levulinic acid, or ALA. ALA is a natural substance found throughout the human body. As the Levulin penetrates into the skin, it makes it more sensitive to light. After 15 minutes to an hour, depending on the patient's skin condition, the Levulin is activated by so-called blue light, or intense pulsed light, also known as IPL. A typical light treatment lasts about 10 minutes. During the procedure, patients wear goggles to protect their eyes. There may be some stinging or prickling of the skin during the light therapy, but it usually goes away after the treatment. The skin will usually redden and may peel or crust for the next 3 to 7 days, depending on the patient's skin sensitivity. While a normal schedule can be resumed immediately, patients should avoid any sun exposure to the treated area for the first 24 to 48 hours. The combination of Levulin and light creates 3 significant anti-acne reactions in the skin. The treatment exfoliates the skin and unclogs the pores, inactivates bacteria that cause acne, and shuts down the oil-producing glands in the skin. And while IPL or blue light are not lasers, they do penetrate the skin enough to stimulate the production of new collagen, which leads to smoother, healthier, younger-looking skin. The number of treatments needed will vary, but the typical patient requires 2 to 3 treatments spaced at 3-week intervals to see significant improvement. While photodynamic therapy with Levulin has produced notable results in controlling all types of acne, it can also improve the appearance of acne scars. PDT has also successfully treated many other skin conditions, including rosacea, precancerous skin lesions, fine lines, blotchy pigmentation, enlarged pores, and sun damage. It is suitable for treatment on any part of the body, including the face, chest, and back. Ask your physician for more details on this effective and exciting new treatment. Photodynamic therapy with Levulin, literally lighting the way to more beautiful skin. We've all heard the time-worn adages. You know them, the ones like grow old gracefully and beauty is only skin deep. But these days, those sayings can take on a whole new meaning, because now you can grow old gracefully, all because of a new cosmetic filler that slips below the skin's surface, filling wrinkles, creases, and lines, and causes surface skin to appear smoother and more youthful. Appropriately, it's called Juvederm. Juvederm is one of the latest cosmetic fillers on the market. It's composed of hyaluronic acid, a substance found in all living cells. In its natural form, hyaluronic acid provides a framework for the skin by holding essential skin components, such as collagen and elastin, together. It also has amazing water retention properties and can absorb more than 1,000 times its weight. Juvederm is composed of synthetic hyaluronic acid in the form of a smooth gel. Once micro-injected under the skin, Juvederm provides natural-looking and feeling volume that instantly lifts creases and wrinkles and fills lines. Juvederm comes in different formulations, depending on where it's injected. It's appropriate for a variety of applications in the upper and lower face, including creases between the eyebrows, smoothing out facial scars or pits, and plumping up the creases that form between the nose and mouth. It can also restore volume to areas such as hollowed-out cheeks, is effective for diminishing vertical lip lines, and is excellent for plumping up thin lips. A typical Juvederm treatment takes only a few minutes. You and your physician may choose to use either topical or local anesthetic. Then, using a tiny needle, Juvederm is micro-injected beneath the skin surface with immediately visible results. While there may be some slight swelling, the vast majority of people can immediately resume a normal schedule. In fact, Juvederm is a perfect lunchtime treatment, and since it's created synthetically, it doesn't require any allergy tests beforehand. One Juvederm treatment may be all you need for a noticeable improvement. It will typically last 6 months or longer, often up to 9 months or more. As the hyaluronic acid is gradually absorbed by the body, occasional touch-ups may be necessary. The next time someone tells you beauty is only skin deep, you can smile and agree with them. They'll never have to know that some of your beauty actually comes from beneath your skin, courtesy of Juvederm. Maybe it's been going on for only a year or two, maybe longer, but you've noticed some changes in your face that just aren't that subtle anymore. It might be the creases developing between your nose and mouth, or vertical lip lines, or hollowed out cheeks. In any case, you've had enough. You know it's time to do something, but it needs to be something simple, quick, with no downtime. Relax. You've got Radiesse. Radiesse is a dermal filler that uses a substance called calcium hydroxylapatite. While it's likely you've never heard of it, hydroxylapatite is actually composed of microscopic calcium particles that are suspended in gel. It's been safely used for years in a variety of medical procedures, including dental implants and facial and orthopedic surgery. While hydroxylapatite has properties similar to bone, it's actually produced synthetically, so no skin testing is necessary before using it. A typical Radiesse treatment usually takes from 15 minutes to half an hour. After the treatment area is numbed with a local anesthetic, Radiesse is micro-injected underneath the wrinkle in the skin. The gel particles fill the wrinkle by raising the surface skin. Most patients will be able to resume a normal schedule immediately, although any activities that strain facial muscles should be avoided for a couple of days. Typical side effects are minimal and may include mild swelling and slight bruising at the treatment site for a day or two. Along with reducing deep skin folds and wrinkles, Radiesse is also very effective for adding volume and contour to the lips and cheeks. Since Radiesse takes on the characteristics of surrounding tissue, areas treated with it will look and feel totally natural. Treatment with Radiesse produces immediate results that can last from several months to years, depending on the person's age, skin type, and facial movement. While some patients may need additional Radiesse injections for optimum results, many will require just one treatment. Imagine looking younger in just half an hour. Ask your healthcare professional about the remarkable power of Radiesse. Shadows or light, contours or depressions, curves or creases. Think of your face as a canvas. When you look in the mirror, what do you see? As many of us get older, we see wrinkles and creases that weren't there in our teens and 20s. One of the most evident areas of aging is the line between our noses and mouths, known as the nasolabial fold. With age, this fold line develops a deeper crease and in some cases begins to extend vertically past the corner of our mouth. This gives the visual effect of pulling the face downward. Another common area of concern is the lips. As we grow older, lips often flatten out, losing their youthful contour. Vertical lines may begin to radiate from the lips, giving the mouth a drawn look and causing lipstick to bleed into the crevices. But now there's a safe, effective, and virtually instantaneous way to eliminate these common problems. Since its approval by the FDA, Restylane has emerged as one of the most popular wrinkle fillers in the nation. Developed in Sweden, it's already been used more than 1 million times in 60 different countries. As Restylane is injected just beneath the skin surface, it instantly reduces or eliminates facial creases and can restore a youthful, sensuous look to the lips within seconds. One treatment takes only minutes and generally lasts about 6 months, making it one of the most affordable cosmetic procedures available. Lift away the shadows. Ask your clinician how Restylane can help you. Think of your face as a photograph or a video image. If it could be magnified hundreds of times, your eyes, nose, and mouth would blur into a sea of tiny dots or pixels. Now imagine that you have a scar on your face, or wrinkles around your eyes or lips, or blotches of unwanted pigmentation, such as age spots. Picture a beam of light carefully going over that damaged skin, 1 pixel at a time, literally targeting a microscopic dot of skin, while leaving the one beside it untouched. You have just imagined a Fraxel laser at work. The Fraxel laser is one of the newest weapons in the war on skin damage. It's being used to improve a variety of skin conditions, including sunspots, uneven pigmentation, wrinkles, stretch marks, and acne scars. The Fraxel laser derives its name from what it accomplishes: fractional photothermolysis. As the Fraxel laser light deeply penetrates and heats tiny areas of the skin, it is simultaneously resurfacing the damaged skin and stimulating the production of all-important collagen in the deeper tissues. But since the skin is being treated in thousands of tiny sections, or fractions, adjacent skin is left untouched, allowing the skin to heal more rapidly than if its entire surface was treated all at once. Prior to treatment, anesthetic is applied. Treatment with the laser usually takes about half an hour. As the laser light moves across their skin, most patients say it gives them a prickling sensation and is easily tolerated. Following treatment, the skin usually heals very rapidly, with only minor flaking. The majority of patients will be able to resume their schedule immediately, in many cases returning to work the same day. Since the Fraxel laser treatment is progressive, multiple treatments will yield maximum benefits. 4 or more treatments spaced evenly across several weeks can significantly and safely improve skin's appearance. Your healthcare provider can help you determine the number of treatments that would be most beneficial for you.